What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This your boy Jay Reed. So check it out. Here's what we're doing today. We got the eBay blow off valve and pipe that we fixing to install on the Civic. Now let me show you what I'm talking about. All right, so I just picked this up. It's a little cheap eBay, paid a few bucks on it. I think I got it off eBay, could have got it off Amazon. But anyway, we fixing to install it. Now, dude, the quality looks okay. It looks okay. You know, it ain't nothing to write home to mommy dear about. But here's what we fixing to do. So I got this particular pipe straight up off eBay. As you can see, never did take the junkyard writing off of it. If you never ever been to a junkyard, you know exactly what that is. So what we need to do, well, first of all, this is what I got on here now. As you can see, it doesn't even really fit. This came with the car when I bought it, and I put it on here. It didn't come with this pipe because the kit pipe did not work for this particular setup. So I had to modify it. And as you can see, this flange is way too big for this blow-off valve. So really, I could have just bought the pipe and reused this blow-off valve. But instead, we bought the whole kit because the kit was very cheap. So what I need to do is do a little bit of measuring, cut this off, probably about right there, have the blow-off valve facing up like normal people, and get to work. Now, the quality of it, I mean, this is fairly heavy. We got the line, we got the gasket, and I don't think I'm gonna need this. We're just gonna mount this straight like that. I don't really know what this is for. We're not gonna use it because it don't seem like I'm going to need it. The blow-off valve looks pretty good, hard or soft. I mean, I don't know. All right, so that's neither here nor there. We're gonna get this installed first. That's gonna be the first thing, is to get this mounted onto here. Well, actually, that's not gonna be the first thing. The first thing is gonna be to measure this out, to get this on here correctly. That's going to be the first thing. And I hope I got another thingy. It's supposed to be here today, or maybe it already came. I don't really know, but I hope it's in there, because if not, we're going to have to make something work or wait till it gets here to finish this project. Let's go see if it's in the house. Yeah, I checked. It's not here yet, but that's okay. It's going to be here today, and probably by the time I get finished doing this, it'll be here. But in the meantime, we need to measure. We need to measure once. We need to measure twice, because I don't want to get this wrong. We need to measure this pipe, because I need to cut the right length against, so we need to take this coupler probably all the way off. Well, actually, I can just raise it up and take it off. We need to measure this pipe to see how long I need to chop it off. In fact, let's just go ahead and take this whole pipe off, and we can measure it that way. And then I'm going to go get my saw out and cut it. We moved over here to the shaky table, and now we're fixing to get the measuring. I mean, it should be pretty straightforward, because we want that end like that, and we're going to cut this right there. So it's going to butt up against the coupler when I put that on. May even make it a little longer, depending. No, we're going to get it way up good in that coupler. So now it's time we bring out the old saw. We're going to measure it. We'll mark it rather. Bring out the old saw, cut that real quick. It's going to be a quick and easy job. But while I got this out, let me show you what I'm talking about on how I got this blow-off valve set up as is, because you're going to laugh. All right, look how it's on here. That's a tragedy. I had to drill like new holes to make it fit, and it's just crazy. Does it work? Yes, it do. But kind of want to do it right. And like I said, I could use this blow-off valve, but you know, and I got a new one. I think I paid like 39 bucks for this. So let's try out this new one. They both cheap as hell. All right, let's get to cutting. We got this thing all measured up. I'm gonna cut it right there with the wheel saw, and we're gonna get this thing mounted up. This will be a quick project, and I'll probably go out and test it a little bit later, but not now. But I can't really hook it up until I get that coupler. Hopefully it's out in the mailbox now. In between time, I feel like I need to make a Harbor Freight run. Now let's be real. One of the things that I don't really like about going this route over that single pipe is I'm essentially creating another opportunity for a boost leak, because I got to add another coupler into the piping. That I don't really care about. I mean, that I'm not really fond of, but I get it. I got to do what I got to do. Now we got the blow-off valve all mounted up. I didn't use Loctite. I probably need to take this off and use some Loctite, but for right now, we're gonna not Loctite. Yeah, and I kind of scratched it up already. It's gonna look good sitting up in there, that's for sure. Now, shit, at this point, I'm really just waiting on my coupler to get here. And then we can get this mounted up. Probably go test it. But I think I'm gonna run some errands first. If it's not here, if it's not in the mailbox now, I'll run some errands, then come back and finish this off. We got packages. We got packages. This has been one of the longest projects I've done in a while. I done took a nap. I done went to Harbor Freight, bought $100 worth of tools that I really didn't need, but I need them to be organized. And finally, I think what I ordered had came in. I don't even know what one of these is. I know that one is the coupler that I've been waiting on. So let's pop this open, get this thing hooked up, so maybe I can take it for a spin or do something, or at least look at it. I've wasted, it's like most of the day is gone because I sat down on the couch, fell asleep, and that was all she wrote. But anyway, as you can see, your boy done changed clothes, took a bath, because yeah, boy, I tell you. Oh well, it's an off day, ain't in no rush. Let's open this up, get this on there, and wrap this up. Figured out what the other one was. I think that's my cam seal I've been waiting on, but we're not doing that today. This is the coupler. Looks like some pretty decent couples. We're gonna go ahead and stick that on there. I think it's gonna go right here, mount it in the car, and be done with it. I got it hooked up, just like that. I ain't gonna even lie to you, my boy. It looks way better than that crap that was in there before. Look at that. Look at that. A blow off valve. Oh, I don't know why it took me so long. Why it takes me so long to do stuff. Well, I know why. Because this car been broke forever, and I had bigger fish to fry than a blow off valve. But we got it in there. And I tell you what, kind of feel like I want to test it out. I want to test it out. That oil leak is kind of scaring me though. We got to check the oil. It's kind of scaring me. I'm gonna have to fix that seal sooner than later, or we're gonna have big problems because we're on borrowed time. I do like the eBay blow off valve. So if you're thinking about getting one, yeah, buddy, it looks good. Now I just hope there's no boost leak, but we fix to find out that shortly.